What is going on, guys? Coaster Matt Productions here, and I was at Kings Island earlier today for an associate class, and I figured while I was there, why not get some videos of a drive-by to show you guys how Mystic Timbers has changed the skyline for the park and grab a couple pictures. I will say some of my pictures aren't really that good. My camera zoom is not 100% good, but I'll put them in the video, and then there are also some pictures from the park's social media that I'll also put in there that includes some work from mid-course tunnel, other sections of the ride, and the trains that have came in. So thanks all for watching, and enjoy.